here. Share it, let everybody know on your Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, whatever you got. And the following contest will be a singles match and will be contested for the No Limits Championship. And his opponent.
Underway here. The No Limits belt on the line. The ring has not been on. There it is. Oh, look at that. Vinny Pacifico fired up. The current No Limits champion. Man, oh man, and Isaiah Wolf. This isn't the first time we've seen these two go at it. They know each other like the back of their hands. Brian Black and I in the pre-show broke this match down. This is going to be a huge test for Vinny Pacifico, who's starting off this match fired up, going against the former No Limits champion, Isaiah Wolf. Wolf's head being slammed down the apron. This is a true test because now you have Vinny Pacifico defending the honor of Amanda Grace, who was struck by that kendo stick that we saw Isaiah Wolf come out with before. So Isaiah Wolf used that kendo stick on Pacifico last month, but he missed the shot and hit Amanda Grace with no remorse. Isaiah Wolf being struck into the railing.
And Chris, that is some unforgiving steel that Isaiah Wolf has been introduced to, courtesy of the kid.
Pacifico, one of the up-and-coming stars at Warriors. He's currently at the No Limits Championship mountaintop holding the golds. This has been his toughest test going against Isaiah Wolf, but every time he has a chance against him, he comes out on top. Isaiah Wolf looking defeated already. Nice reversal there by him. German suplex. Pacifico launched in the air. Oh! Nice high knee strike there by Isaiah Wolf.
Hold on. This might be some vintage Isaiah Wolf here, Chris.
Got him! Oh! The Hangman German by Isaiah Wolf.
Chris, let me tell you, just like the temperature here, the crowd here in Fun Station is hot tonight. Did you hear the reaction?
Hey, hold on, we may have been a champ.
Hold on.
Just a 2 count. Now, I think to point out with Isaiah Wolf, this man, he believes he is the Alpha Wolf, but he has no pack to lead right now. The pack that he had turned his back on him. But he has that kendo stick.
I guess you could say he's more of a lone wolf right now, Chris.
At this point, yes.
See what I did? The lone wolf. Singular, Chris.
I understand. Using his shirt now as a weapon.
Like an old English 40. It's just a loner. You buy it by itself.
Ref trying to keep order here, but for a No Limits Championship match, anything goes. Pacifico struggling to get back to his feet. Wolf throwing his shirt out. Measuring up Pacifico.
This crowd trying to get behind the kid. Amanda Grace getting behind the kid, clapping away.
Isaiah Wolf in control right now, the former champion, breaking down Pacifico, but you can never count the kid out.
That's right, Chris. He says it on his gear. It says it on his clothes. Don't count Vinny out. It's as simple as that.
This is more than a championship title defense for Pacifico. He's defending the honor of Amanda Grace. As I mentioned before, we're struck by that kendo stick with no remorse by Wolf. Corkscrew European uppercut, the imprint by Isaiah Wolf. Going for the pin. That could be all. 1, 2. Close to a new champ.
Chris, as much as the frat boy despises Isaiah Wolf, that was funny. Pointed out to a fan about their mama.
The Warrior Nation getting behind Pacifico, but Isaiah Wolf is in total control. Now launching some strikes towards the abdomen. What's this? This could be a big move, folks. Going up for the super. Bring him down. Oh, man. Diverse moveset there by Wolf.
And Isaiah Wolf pointing out that it did get quiet because we thought there might be a eulogy in the near future for the kid after that maneuver.
Pacifico's got some heart, folks. He's been struck by everything that Wolf has to offer, and he keeps on getting back up. Wolf now has that kendo stick, and he can use it. Using it to choke Pacifico out. Oh, whoa. I say Wolf with some harsh words to Amanda Grace, who used to be by his side. The lone Wolf is fired up here at Ultimate Survival. We'll see both of these gentlemen competing in the main event later on tonight. Kendo stick, he misses. Pacifico with a hard elbow strike. Another strike that misses. Pacifico rebounds with a nice elbow strike again. Launching Wolf into the corner. Pacifico building up some momentum.
The kid trying to build up some momentum. Hold on, it could be the signature DDT.
DDT!
He hits it.
This could be all. 1, 2, no! Isaiah Wolf kicking out.
That is the maneuver that the kid has won the No Limits Championship with, if I'm not mistaken, Chris.
Well, if there's one thing that move did for Pacifico, that evened up the match. That evens the playing field. Pacifico picking up the kendo stick, and we're not used to Vinny being that violent, but he's got a championship to defend.
This is his chance.
And a woman to defend the honor of.
Wait, hold on, Chris.
Saying he's gonna do
I think
it.
a fan just...
What's this? Is that Slade?
Hold on, I think a fan just ran in. That might be...
That looks like Slade.
About him. That might be... that might be Slade.
I think that's Slade who has Amanda Grace. What's this?
Policy. Come on, move closer. He'll bring that picture's name. Move closer. Snap that picture's name. If I was you, give up, Vinny. Give up. I will break the whole your legs to it. Slade. Do it. Give up. I will break that picture's name. And wreck him. Give up, Vinny. Give up, Vinny. Say it.
What?
It looks like the kid is left with an ultimatum, Chris.
Do it. We're gonna quit.
What's he gonna do? What's he gonna do? Pacifico holding on to that kendo stick.
I will back on your weakness. I will back. I will snap on
This is so wrong. Not like this.
No.
Not like this. The bell's been rung.
That's right. You're a winner. And a brand new Words of Wrestling World No Limit Champion. American Gangster. Isaiah Wolf. Now hit my goddamn music.
Chris, I'm speechless. I don't know what to say.
This is what I do. Get that shit on camera. I'm a world champ.
Well, statement made. Isaiah Wolf, the American Gangster, with Slade by his side, is the new Warriors of Wrestling No sacrifice his belt to save Amanda Grace. This won't be the last we see these two go at it. Isaiah Wolf back on top. And now Pacifico stuck in the ring with no gold around his waist, but he does have Amanda Grace by his side. The Warrior Nation not pleased with what just happened, but we have a new No Limits champion. Pacifico was not defeated by pin or submission, but he was given an ultimatum, and he gave up. But man, the American Gangster, that was quite the statement.
That was tough to watch, buddy.
Quite the statement.
At least Vinny Pacifico has Amanda Grace by his side.
I wonder what this will do for the young superstar's career. We've seen him develop every month into a better and better and better competitor. But now we may see a more ruthless and aggressive Vinny Pacifico, one that we haven't seen before. Amanda Grace holding her neck. Hopefully she's okay. I'm sure she'll be checked out.